Hi boys, what do you think? Are you excited to be back on the road, Ranger? Are you excited to be back on the road? How's it going, everyone? We are finally back on the road and en route to the Keys, making a quick stop here at Lake Griffin State Park to dump our tanks. If you're a traveler, empty your tanks as soon as your trip starts and you'll be carrying around a lot less weight. Anything to say to the camera? We had a great time. Thank you, Andy and Linda. We really appreciate it. So we're doing something interesting and something that's a first for us. We are staying at a Hipcamp. We looked around for different campsites and called different places down in the Keys and came up empty on everything. So we decided that, hey, let's look on Hipcamp, and we found this really cool property that had good reviews. So we're heading down to Homestead, Florida to go and meet up with that guy and stay at his property. So we made it to our Hipcamp location. Allie and I, we just got finished having dinner and eating some rice and what was it? What'd you make?
Fried rice.
Fried rice. We had fried rice tonight. We played some cards and now we're just kind of hanging out on the computer planning tomorrow's trip down to the Keys. We're going to leave the trailer here for the next 3 days. That way we can just take the truck down to the Keys and we don't have to worry about trailering. And that is the plan. For tomorrow, I'm going to get an early start, probably about 8:30, 9 o'clock, so we can get the most out of the day. We're still about, I don't know, what, an hour from Key Largo?
45.
45 minutes, so we want to get down there at a pretty early time frame. So that's what we're doing. We'll see y'all in the morning. Good morning, everyone. It is the 31st and we are up and at 'em pretty early. It is 8:40. We want to get down there at a reasonable time. It's supposed to be gorgeous today. It's going to be the nicest day out of the whole week today. 85, 81 and sunny down in the Keys, down in Key West. So Allie's making us some sandwiches. The boys are chomping at the bit, ready to go. And we'll be leaving here in a few minutes. And it should probably only take us a couple hours to get down all the way to Key West, so should be there much before lunchtime. So we're all packed up and we just wanted to kind of show you where we were at. So in there's a rooster, and he woke us up this morning. Got the setup here all locked up and ready to go for a couple days. Guy next to us has a pliers slingshot. It's kind of cool. Ready?
Ready.
Gosh, they're huge. I'd hate to have that boat.
Got it, come on back.
Yeah.
Is that our bucket?
Yep.
Cool.
Allie, right here.
Look, I didn't want to ship.
You ready? Oh my god.
Here you go.
Wow. Yeah. Please don't bite you.
They're gonna size it.
As soon as all you're ready.
Raised it?
It's staying haunted.
Oh, it floats. Maybe I'll find it.
How big is Mouth Minstrels?
Oh my god.
She's watching you.
Older than I thought.
So we decided to stop here. That's the 7-mile bridge. And you can walk out to this little sandbar thing. This is the Veterans Memorial Park. Allie's finishing up some work in the truck, and then she's gonna come out and join us. And dogs are allowed here, so we're gonna get the dogs out here and get them out of the truck. Hey boys. Wow, this is a hot mess.
Hey guys, there's a jellyfish right here. Okay. We don't want your dog.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Alright, so I thought I'd just give you guys a quick audio tour of the Hemingway Museum that we went to. This is in Key West. It's his actual estate. It was full of lots of paintings, and there was a tour going on there. So it was a little busy, but we managed to get through and checked everything out. He had a bunch of cats throughout the estate. He was actually given a 6-toed white cat by a ship captain back in the day, and that cat had more cats, which had more cats. And now the grounds are just full of his cats. They're everywhere. You're able to pet them. They had a bunch of his pictures on display. I guess the guy was big into safari hunts and fishing and loved to be down in Havana. This is his bedroom. This is his bathroom here. That is off of the bedroom. And then when you walk off onto the terrace out of the bedroom, it wraps around the entire house. So you have a great view of the lighthouse up there. Here's one of those cats just sitting at the top of the stairs. Allie managed to find one sleeping outside. Couldn't resist. Had to sit down next to it and give it a pat. Then we went outside to this converted garage that he had. It was a converted barn that he turned into his writing studio. Now you couldn't go in there, but you could actually rent it out for the evening. It was a pretty hefty price tag. But you can go up there and they give you full access to the grounds, and you can start your book in Ernest Hemingway's writing studio. This is the pool that his second wife put in, unbeknownst to him. Great story. All this information is on their website if you want to check it out, or you could go to Key West and check it out in person. This is the cannon that Ben Franklin actually fired on New Year's in 17. I'm just kidding. This is where you would go.
Alright, Trooper Ranger, time to go in your kennels.
Yep, time for the kennels. This is what we need at home. Go down there. This must have been where a turret was or something.
Oh, fun. It's like Popham, but Florida.
It's pretty cool.
I hear a lot of Popham.
Oh yeah, let's go up here. So I guess the guy that used to run this place buried these big cannons in the concrete in order to preserve them for historical significance. And here they are, still in the concrete. Lines the whole fort here. Pretty cool. Kind of neat.
Not too often do you get all of this neatness in one location.
That's pretty cool. Like their old barracks. Some cool stuff. Old. I'm ready to go swimming. How about you?
Very.
I'm hot. The dogs are hot. I think they're worn out. So we'll go put them back in the truck and head down to the beach. So I heard something up there and I thought it was maybe a monkey or something. It's an iguana. I don't know if you can see it. It's big. He's just chilling up there in the tree. We're here at the southernmost point. We figured we'd stop here first. There's chickens everywhere. Roosters. This isn't technically the southernmost point. We have to get over there though. So here it is, southernmost point in the continental US. Pretty cool. You've been to the north and the south.
I have.
Yep.
Madawaska.
All right. Now for drinkies. Happy?
Happy.
Loggerheads in Key West. Ellie and I are heading to the bar with the dogs.
With the dogs.
We're gonna go get some beers. Oh, he's not gonna fit there. That's a Nissan Altima. He's gonna hit that Cherokee. $100. It's a Reva, which is the same boat that Kenny Chesney actually has. It's pretty nice down here. It's so warm, it's still like 75. That's what they're wondering. Where's the food, y'all? So it's been decided, Allie and I, we are going to be moving here. And we're going to be ending the journey. Key West is beautiful. We love it. We're trying to decide where we're going to eat right now. The dogs already know what their meal's going to be. Kibbles and bits. They've literally gotten so many compliments. Everybody keeps going, oh my God, what adorable dogs. What nice dogs. Can I pet your dogs? What beautiful dogs. Allie and I are going to start making a drinking game out of it.
I wish someone would call me beautiful.
Yeah, I'm going to put a little tip jar, like, hanging on their collars or something.
You know what? You know what your punishment is? Get this one.
We got some key lime pie, because when in Rome. Yeah, sure you do, bud. morning, everyone. It is Saturday the 1st. Happy New Year. We spent last night at a local dive bar chatting with people, and it was actually pretty fun. We slept at the Monroe County Sheriff's Office substation in Marathon, with permission, of course. And now, since we're both just exhausted, we're sipping on our coffee here at Sombrero Beach. Pardon the dog smudges. We're gonna go snorkeling today. We bought some snorkel stuff yesterday, so we're just kind of hanging out, relaxing, enjoying the morning, and then we'll probably go lay on the beach and do some scuba diving or snorkeling. Advantages of having a jump seat in your truck. I think the dogs like it here. What are you doing, Trope? Not nice.
Oh.
Okay, trooper. That's the vibe.
Oh, my baby doggos. It's just dancing.
Hi, Ru. How's that?
Hold on, I thought
Probably help if I took that out.
yeah, probably.
Goes by as soon as I hit record. Well, that's going to end it for us with the Florida Keys. We had a great day, and we hope that you enjoyed the content that we were able to get. If you followed us along this far, really appreciate the support. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure that you do that, and we'll see you on the next one. We're heading to the Everglades tomorrow. Tomorrow? We're heading to the Everglades, and we're going to go on an airboat tour through the mangroves, so stay tuned for that. That's going to be really cool. But yeah, we're just going to finish this beer, go back to camp, and get some well-needed rest. We're both exhausted. So thanks for watching. Cheers.